The right tool can make a mechanic's professional life smooth. As tech enthusiasts, we often encounter various troubleshooting tasks requiring an array of different tools. We've been on the lookout for something compact, multifunctional, and stylish to use for our desktops, electronics, IKEA furniture, and vehicles. Recently, the Metmo Pocket Driver caught our attention and has been gaining quite a bit of buzz among enthusiasts. We checked the history, design, and its built process, which altogether made us lean toward this one. This was inspired by classic tools. We found this gadget quite promising. So, in this video, after using it for a couple of weeks, we're here to share with you the lowdown on the Metmo Pocket Driver. Without further ado, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The Metmo Pocket Driver arrives in this sleek, sturdy package that exudes quality from the get-go. Inside, we found the Pocket Driver itself, along with various bits. Straight off, it feels solid, high-end finishing touch. As it looks, we can observe it's a piece of engineering art, thoughtfully crafted from high-grade materials. So, why did we decide to get our hands on the Metmo Pocket Driver? There are certain inventions that you wouldn't think could be reinvented, right? Well, today, this Metmo driver proved us wrong. The history behind this tool was the main intriguing fact. The design of the Metmo Pocket Driver is based on Conrad Baumann's ratchet driver from the 1950s, and it aims to be the most powerful compact driver in the world. But is it? When we are trying to screw something in, we often reach for the electric screwdriver because it's simpler and more efficient. The screw goes in without much force, and we don't lose our balance or deal with a screwdriver that keeps popping off. The Metmo Pocket Driver aims to solve those problems. Metmo Pocket Driver was inspired by the invention in 1871's first screwdriver and miniaturized in 2023. And we think it's a classic icon of engineering history, brought back to fix today's problems. This compact multi-tool is designed to be both a fidget toy and a powerful tool, dedicated for building anything from IKEA furniture to a motorcycle kickstand. As the history felt awesome and a few key features of this pocket driver caught our eyes, why not give it a try? We took the Metmo Pocket Driver on a variety of mechanical tasks, from assembling IKEA furniture to tweaking our motorcycles. Here's what we found. First off, the design was precisely engineered for mechanical activities, inspired by classic designs, bringing engineering-grade quality to our fingertips. Its versatility impressed us, being compatible with Allen or hex key bits, standard screw, and micro screw bits, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Despite its small size of just 103 millimeters in length and lightweight at 109 grams, it packed a punch with its high torque and was compact enough to fit in our pocket. Plus, its durability met our expectations. Crafted from aerospace-grade materials like the hardened martensitic stainless steel grade 440, hardened tool steel, hard, anodized aluminum, brass, plate stainless steel, and class 10.9 bolts. The quick-release fold-out handle was truly satisfying, PPing into place effortlessly and providing the grip and torque needed for any job. Performance-wise, each function performed flawlessly, with the magnetic socket holding bits securely and the driver delivering more torque than we'd expect from its size. Simply rotating the chuck was immensely pleasing. The weight felt reassuring in our hand, and we knew that if we ever needed to drive something in, the pocket driver was there for the job. Instead of keeping the fun stuff hidden, they put it right out in the open, just like the original. This let us enjoy that awesome motion, making it hard to put down once we picked it up. Plus, the comfort factor was huge. The ergonomic design meant no more sore hands, even after using it for a long time. The magnetic socket was powerful enough to hold the bits securely. Even the pocket pouch and pack were stylish and classy, making it easy to carry everywhere, which we really loved. So, does the Metmo Pocket Driver deserve a spot in your toolkit? Absolutely. It's more than just a tool. It's a we always look for. And this combination of functionality, durability, and sheer cool factor is a blessing for people like us. So the final thought is, whether you're a designer, engineer, or just someone who loves to tinker, this pocket-sized versatile tool is a must-have. If you're interested in getting your own Metmo Pocket Driver, check out the link in the description. While searching for this pocket, We also found that Metmo had launched their latest multi-drive on Kickstarter. Dropped the link in the description. If any of you have already tried that out, share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and reviews. Stay creative and see you in the next video.